YouTube, I'm trying to get the audio for you, okay? Trying to get the audio for those on YouTube. YouTube, can you hear me now? I'm buying gold. I'm buying gold. That is what I said when I joined the live. I'm buying gold. Those on YouTube. I'm buying gold. Signal has already been sent to the VIP. Time frame. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, guys. Sorry, guys. I just took a trade, so I'm not able to read the comments. You're in profit, guys. You're in profit. You're running 30 pips. 30 pips profit. $30 pips profit, guys. Is the internet okay? Is the internet okay, guys? Is the internet okay? Guys, I'm not able to read the comments at the moment, okay? I'm just buying gold. I'm in gold buys already. We are in profit. I'm not able to read your comments at this moment, okay? Sorry guys, sorry I wasn't able to read your comments. Just trying to set my parameters and everything. Let me come back to the comments now. Oh, I promised to send you guys a signal. Oh, true. Let me send it. That is true. Let me send it to you guys. I've sent it, guys. I promise you guys, yes. I promise you guys. I've sent a signal. I've stuck to my word, guys. It's still around entry though. It's still around entry. I promised, yes, I promised. I forgot. You guys would have chewed me today. I forgot. I forgot I promised you guys yesterday, guys. I forgot. I just sent a signal to the community. So go to the community. You'll find the signal in the community, okay? Signal is in the community. Everything is in the community, guys. It's in the community, guys. It's in the community. And keep on double tapping. 1.8k. If you want a signal for tomorrow, let's double tap, guys. That's just by the way. But SLTP, everything is in the community, okay? Everything is in the community, guys. Everything is in the community. Those watching me on YouTube, is it clear enough? Is it clear enough? Is it clear enough? Guys, we are all in a trade now. I can't be reading the comments, okay? Please. I have others taking this trade with me. I need to be attentive so that I know when I should tell them to take profit and all. So reading comments now will be very difficult for me, okay? At least let me set break even. Then I can come to the comments, okay? If you got in, we are running about 40 pips now. 40 pips, guys. 40 pips, 40 pips, 40 pips. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 40 pips, guys. Let's go. Signal is in the community. Signal is in the Telegram community. Head over there. You find the signal there. Signal is in the Telegram community, guys. Signal is in the Telegram community. We're running 40 pips now. Just hoping to set break even. Then I can come back to the comment section. Because it's a scalp zone, I'm not going to be holding for too long. Sorry, 40 pips. 40 pips. Those who are spamming the comments with signals and bots and all, I'm blocking all of you, okay? When I come back to the comments, I'm going to block those who are giving signals in the comments, okay? I don't accept that here. Guys, it's still around entry. If you want to enter, I mean, it's really up to you. The signal is in the community. If you want to enter, you can go ahead and enter. But we've gone into 40 pips profit already. Let's see how far we can take this, guys. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You know, I forgot I promised you guys a free signal today. I had to read it from the comment before I posted it to the community. Because I was going to give it to only the XNS VIP members. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go should just give us some shoot up and let's set break even and rest, you know. When I'm setting break even, I'll notify you guys. I'll notify you guys when I'm setting break even. I'll notify you when I'm setting break even on this trade. But like I always tell you, if you've seen profit that you think you need that profit too, you can also take it. But I haven't taken profit yet, you know. Haven't taken profit just yet. I'm unable to read your comments regularly today, guys. If you have any question you want me to answer, you have to wait until I come back to the comment section, okay? Currently, I can't read any comments. Those asking for the time frame, let me just write it before I get many questions. What time frame? What pair? What time frame? What pair? So 1 hour, right? This is XAUUSD. XAUUSD. 1 hour. That doesn't mean I did my analysis on the 1 hour. I'm just showing you guys the 1 hour time frame. So you can have it in the portrait form well on your screen, okay? Okay, this should be fine. What do I do to enter your VIP? It's in the community. It's in the community. So when I said buy at 4699, I had sent the signal to the XNS VIP, right? Until someone reminded me that I promised you guys a signal yesterday. So I forwarded the signal to the community. Price was already gone in few pips by then. But it's not so far gone. It's Okay, currently it's far gone because it's moving now. But it's been like it's come back to entry like 2 times. Just waiting to set break even so we can be risk free on this trade. Martin, I sent the signal there how many minutes ago? I sent the signal there about 7 minutes ago, Martin. I can't tell you whether you should enter now or not. When it got to entry, I made everyone aware it's still around entry so you can enter, but currently it's gone back into profit. Martin, I'm saying when I sent the signal, it was to the XNES VIP, right? Price was around 4699. Until someone reminded me, I promised you guys a free signal yesterday, so I forwarded the signal to the community. Price had already left 4699 then, but I was still around that area, right? So it's really up to you if you want to enter. You can use the same stop loss if you want to enter. But then we are in over 40 pips profits now. If it comes back to entry and you want to re-enter, I mean, that is really up to you. Just waiting to set break even on this trade. Just waiting to set break even. Let's go, guys. Let's like the live. 7.2k. Let's keep the likes up, guys. Let's keep the likes up. How to join Telegram channel? Head over to the link in my bio and join Telegram channel. Back in profit, guys. Back in profit. Let's hope market favors us today. Let's hope we get market favor. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's keep the likes up, guys. 9.6k. Let's keep the likes up. Let's keep the likes up, guys. Let's keep the likes up. Mike Shah, still send me a DM, okay? Let me know what the issue is. Send me a DM. The time frame is written on the screen. It's written on the screen. It's boldly written on the screen. Boldly written on the screen. Let's get the likes up, guys. Yes, it's the one. I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. Victor Baden, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Lee Flash, good morning. How are you, Lee Flash? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? Forex, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. You caught a buy on the spike. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. That is great. Oh, the BTC trade. I know. BTC is running in serious profit. I didn't take it because I don't trade BTC mostly on weekdays. I trade it on weekends. G's collection. sorry. It's a trade. It's a trade. I need to just be checking the time frames to make sure price is doing what I want it to do. So I can update you guys whether we should hold or close, or that is why I keep on checking my chart. I need to carry all of us along on this trade. If there's any small change in structure, I'd have to update you guys. That is why I'm not in the comment section right now, okay? Oh, BTC would have been cool for you. BTC would have been very cool for you because it tapped the zone like a sniper. It tapped the zone like a sniper. Like a sniper. Thank you, Victor. Thank you. I appreciate it, Victor. Thank you so much. Let's hope gold doesn't disappoint this morning. Let's hope. Guys, if you want the signal, it's in the community, okay? The stop loss, the take profits, price, everything is in the community, the Telegram community. We should buy to your sell entry. Let's pray. I'm buying now. Let's pray market does what it needs to do. So far as market is just around this zone, I mean, it's okay for me. I have a buy zone down here and there's liquidity. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to hold this trade for too long. But it's a very good zone. Even though there's liquidity below it. It's a very good zone. That is where I'm buying from. I'm buying from there. I know, Ni. I know. Let me check on those on YouTube. But you said scalp. Yeah, I said scalp. That is why I'm not going to be holding the trade for long. I'm just waiting to set break even quickly on this trade. Once we hit about 50-60 pips, I'm going to set break even. That is my plan. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Back in profit, back in profit, back in profit, guys. Let's hope gold doesn't disappoint. $4671 is your TP. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, why's my music stop playing? Guys, let's keep the likes up. Let's keep the likes up. 16K, let's keep it up, guys. Okay, Victor, have a nice day. I hope your dad gets well. Speedy recovery to him. The matter of 1 hour. I don't do my analysis on the 1 hour, guys. I do it from different time frames. But you know, for me to be able to show you the screen very well in the portrait form, I have to squeeze the candles into the 1 hour time frame so you can see the zones I'm marking well. If I do it on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, the screen is going to stretch. You cannot see the candles, or you cannot see the zones well. That is why mostly I'm on the 1 hour time frame. That doesn't mean that is the time frame I analyze from. Obviously, the zones I've drawn here, none of them is from the 1 hour. I didn't draw any of the zones here on the 1 hour time frame. Can we start selling? I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm currently in buys and it's in profit. It's in profit, guys. Just can't wait to set break even on this trade. Which time frame do I take entry? So I currently have another screen in front of me with a different chart that I'm taking my entries from. So I take it anywhere from the 15 minutes, 5 minutes. But as I'm talking to you guys, I'm switching between time frames to check what market is doing on every time frame. So the screen you are seeing on your screen, okay, is what I'm showing you. I have another screen here where I'm checking everything on the trade. I'm switching between time frames to check how market is reacting. That is why you see me. I'm not reading the comments. I'm just on the chat, checking the different time frames to make sure market is doing what I want it to do. Which app am I using? I'm using TradingView. I'm using TradingView. It's TradingView. It's TradingView. Those asking for the time frame, it's clear on the screen, guys. It's clear on the screen. It's clear on the screen. Yes, I trade only gold. I trade only gold. Only gold. Where am I from? I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. Which broker? I use XNet. If you use XNet, you can join the free VIP too. You get the SL, the entry, you get educational materials and all. The bot is having issues. How is it having issues? What issue are you facing? Send me a DM and a screenshot of it. The link to the Telegram channel, it says the link is in the bio, okay? Link is in bio. You can join Telegram through the bio. Tap on the link in the description of the video on YouTube, okay? Tap on the description there and you can join. Do I have a bot? I don't have a bot that trades. I have a bot that gives you access to my VIP. This YouTube and their adverts. Where am I buying from? It's on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. And everything is in the community. It's in the Telegram community. It's in the Telegram community, guys. Which broker do I use? I use XNES. And once you join XNES, you have an XNES account. You can join my free VIP. If you have XNES, yes. If you have XNES, you can join the free VIP. It's for free. It's for free. Once you use XNES, you can join the free VIP. What currency pair is this? This is gold. This is gold. We're trading gold. How do you join the VIP? You can join the VIP. If you use XNES, you can join the free VIP. Send a DM on Telegram or even on TikTok. I'm gonna respond to you. Yes, go to Telegram and use the bot. Someone just typed that in the comment. Go to Telegram and you can use the bot from Telegram, okay? It's easier using it from Telegram. We're in about 15 pips loss at the moment. About 2 pips loss at the moment, yes. About 2 pips loss. Price is still just around entry. Which time frame is this? It's on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. Time frame is clearly written on the screen. It's clearly written on the screen, guys. And we are back in little profit. We're back in little profit, guys. We are back in profit. How old was I when I started trading? Why didn't you ask how many years have I been trading? But you want to know how old I was. Why do you want to know how old I was instead? You want to calculate my age? How old was I? I was old. I was old enough. But I've been trading for the past 4.5 years. I've been trading for the past 4.5 years. What do you think about oil and silver? I haven't checked oil. I haven't checked silver today. Haven't checked oil and silver today. I usually used to have issues on my entry signals. What issues? What issues? What issues, guys? We are back in profit, guys. Let's hope gold keeps up. keeps up the good energy. Let's hope he keeps up the good energy. Let's hope. Thank you, Polovet. Thank you. Future, that is my strategy. I'm trading. My TikTok handle, Lambo FX. It's Abatrace, still Abatrace. It's actually Abatrace everywhere. Someone is, what kind of question is this? The questions I receive in a day, it's crazy. God is messing up again. The kind of questions sometimes I receive in a day. Yeah, I'm still holding buys. I'm still holding buys. I'm only going to close if price closes below the 5 minute, that last 5 minute structure. That is why I keep on watching my chart. If it closes below it, I'm going to have to close my trade too. It's just at the structure now. If it closes below it, I'd have to cut my losses on this trade. Outstanding music producer. I don't swing trade, unfortunately. I'm a day trader. I don't swing trade. IPC. Bye-bye, okay? Yes, that's my setup. Guys. We are back in profit. Guys. Back in little profit. That is a scalp zone. That is not like one of my strongest zones. That is why I keep on telling you guys. I'm hoping to set break even on that trade very quickly. Once we get to like 50 pips, 60 pips, I'm going to be setting break even on it. Can you join Signals group? You message me. I'm going to reply to you. Is it on TikTok or on Telegram? Where did you message? What's my TP? It's in the community, Outstanding Music. Go to the Telegram community. The signal is in the Telegram community. Is a possible zone a stink zone? What is a stink zone, guys? What is a stink zone? Can we sell now? You can sell if you see sales, guys. No one has said you should buy. I am buying and I'm telling you I'm buying. If you want to sell, you can go ahead and sell. Trust your strategy, okay? Just trust your strategy. The name of this app is TradingView. Hey, you guys, some of you can ask some questions. I've answered these questions several times. You guys can really ask some questions sometimes. How to enter a trade, because sometimes I find entering early. What do you mean by that? You like my hair? Thank you. I appreciate it. You're unable to open XNES account as an individual in the UK. What do you do? Send me a DM. I have an option for you. Send me a DM. What strategy is this? It's my strategy. Currently, I'm scalping from that zone. It's a scalp zone, so it means it's not one of my strongest zones, but it has good confirmations in the zone. Is the possible buy zone a very strong buy for you? Yes, the possible buy zone on the screen. It's a strong buy for me. We are just trying to be like you. With these kind of questions. Otherwise, bye-bye, okay? Can you get my content? You go to YouTube, I have a lot of content there. That is, if you want to learn about Forex, I have a lot of content on YouTube. Have a lot of content on YouTube. Do I speak Ewe? No, I don't speak Ewe. I speak Tree. I look calm. Thank you. Thank you. Nothing have enticing in this market before. That is why I'm calm. Please, on Monday, what time does the top-down analysis start? 8 a.m. 8 a.m. USD, yes. It's almost in the buy zone. Yeah, I saw it earlier. It's almost in the buy zone. Almost in the buy zone. Am I married? Yes, I'm married. I'm married. Would that be a W formation? Let's see. Let's see. The other leg of the W hasn't formed yet, so you can't tell. T-Soft, you know it. You know the answer already, okay? Is the buy still valid? Yes. So far as it hasn't closed below this zone, it's valid for me. So far as it hasn't closed below the zone. And it's a scalp zone too, so it means that I've toned my risk on that particular zone. That's how I've boldly written it there, scalp buy. It's a sell. Let's see, Stepper. We never know where markets might head to. You never know. Let's see, Stepper. You're 18 years. Should you start with a prop firm or capital? I don't always advise prop firms, you know. If prop firms work well for you, I mean, stick to it, okay? SL and TP. It's in the main community, Daniel. It's in the Telegram community. Head over there. You see the signal there. Head over to the Telegram community. If analyze is on the 4-hour, what time frame to enter the trade? Depends on which time frame you're able to really squeeze your SL, right, or fine tune your SL to. Because in the end, your focus should be on reducing your risk. When I say your risk to your SL plays a part in your risk, you understand? So it's really about which time frame will make it easy for you to squeeze your risk. That is what is really necessary. Gold is back to entry. Back to our entry. Back to entry. Let's hope gold pushes up. There's no candlestick confirmation pattern. Then you don't know candlesticks, Saint. Go back to the drawing board, okay? Then you don't understand candlesticks, Saint. We are in profit again now, guys. Back in profit. Back in profit. Back in profit, guys. Oh, Pastor Franklin. Sorry about that, okay? I told them to stop. Sorry about that. Good to have you back, Pastor Franklin. Good to have you back. How are you today? Yes, but not on someone's platform. This is not a platform where we are learning, you understand? There's a platform where I'm live trading now. We learn through the process, but then I don't appreciate people when they come here and people who come and they're like, market is going to sell. Do you know where market is heading to? That's when someone says price is going to sell. I'm like, let's see. Because I myself, I don't know where price is even heading to from this point. Do you understand? We are all using technicals to understand where market is heading to. So I don't really like when people come and they come to show as if, you know, there are a lot of beginners, there are a lot of new people who are also watching me. And I want them to believe in their strategy, okay, whatever they've learned. If their strategy is telling them to sell, I want them to believe that they should sell. Okay, if you come and you come with that kind of mindset where price will buy, it will never sell, it will, you put fear in someone who is also trying to follow their strategy. You can only say, okay, I see this, I see this, I see that, because the person too is seeing a different thing. Now the person can say, okay, that is what she's seeing, that is what I'm seeing. But if you come here with some staunch like bias, like for you, I don't know, I don't like traders like that. Seriously. Always be adaptable, okay? Adjust. Don't have a strong, hardened mind to the market. Because as I'm here now, I kept on telling you guys, if price closes below this zone, I'm going to close the trade. It's because I'm adaptable. I know markets can change structure at any time. So I don't put my bias on one, like, I'm not staunch on one zone. I don't know if you guys get it. If you do that, it's going to help you. It's going to help you. Because if we all knew where market was heading to, trust me, if we all knew where market was heading to, nobody would even do technical analysis. My SL is in the community. The signal is in the community. Head over to the community. You find the trade there. Your son is 19. You're going to hand him over to me to train. Awesome. Awesome. That would be great. Let's see, guys. Let's see what market wants to do. Thank you, market mover. Thank you. Is price not heading to sweep the sell liquidity? Let's see. Let's see what market does. Then we will adapt. We'll respond to the market. How can you join my Telegram channel? Go to my bio. Tap on the link in my bio. You can join my Telegram channel. How many pips? Currently, okay, so we smashed 40 pips earlier. Price went back into entry. Currently, we are above entry. It's running about 15 pips at the moment. Currently, it's running 20 pips in profit, yes. But we've gone 40 pips already. So let's see how far this market can go. But I'm going to be securing my trade. Once we get to 60 pips, 50, 60 pips, I'll set break even. Because like I mentioned, it's a scalp buy zone, okay? I'm going to be securing my trade from that point. If you want to join the XNET VIP, send a DM or go to my bio, tap on the link there, follow the bot instructions, and then join. Dean, send a DM on Telegram or on TikTok, okay? I use XNET but unable to join the VIP. Do I still need to pay a fee? What response are you getting? If you use XNET, you should be able to join the VIP. What response are you getting? What's the response you are getting? What response are you getting? Let me check on YouTube. Guys, let's keep the likes up. Let's keep the likes up, guys. Let's keep the likes up. 25k. Yesterday we got to 175k, guys. That was crazy. Thank you guys for that. Thank you guys for that. I appreciate it. What's the right time to take a trade entry, or what confirmations to specifically look upon? Confirmations exclusive to the mentees. What extent will it reach? Everything is in the community, guys. The signal is in the community. Signal is in the community, guys. Have you bought or have you done a sale? Guys, when you come on the live, look at the screen and see what is happening now, okay? Just look at the screen and see what is happening. Everything is on the screen, guys. Everything is on the screen. Can you place a scalp buy? God, I bet comics. It is up to you. If you want to buy, you can buy with me. But bear in mind, it's a scalp zone, not one of my strongest zones. But it has good confluences in that zone. Robots trader, bye-bye. Bye-bye, robots trader. You need to know you are dealing with Africans. Some people just want me to talk too. They just want me to talk. They just want me to talk. They just want to see me talk. Now price has closed below that zone I was looking at. Price has closed below the 5-minute zone I was looking at. Let me check on the 1 minute. Price has closed just below that zone, beneath the zone. So I'm going to be cutting my losses very quickly, okay? I'll let you know when I do that. I was looking at that zone to hold. I'll be cutting my losses on this trade, guys. Price has closed below that 5-minute zone. I just cut my losses on the trade, guys. I just cut my losses. I just cut my losses, guys. I updated in community. Cut your loss too. Cut loss on this trade. Cut loss, guys. Cut loss. Let's wait for the buy zone below. So unfortunately, we couldn't set break even on this zone when it went 40 pips. But I wanted to set it at 60 pips. Don't wait for SL, guys. Let's cut the loss now. The trade is invalid now. The trade is invalid. I've updated in the community, guys. Cut your loss. Cut your loss on this trade. Let's wait for the buy zone below. Cut your loss on the trade. Yes, it's heading to the possible buy zone. I'm looking at that zone too. When I say cut loss, someone is asking what is cut loss. It means close your losses. Cut your losses. Don't hold your losses to full SL, okay? It means cut your losses. It means cut your losses. The loss you are in now, cut it there. That is what cut losses mean. It's not cut lose, cut loss, cut loss. It means cut your loss. If you are still holding the trade, this trade is already invalidated on the 5 minutes, okay? Let's wait for the main zone below. I'm from Ghana. Accra, Ghana. How do you know the right time to take an entry trade? If you have your entry criteria, when price gets there, you would know. We are almost in the buy zone. We are almost in the buy zone, guys. We are in the buy zone. We are in the buy zone. We are in my main buy zone now. I'm going to be getting in very soon, guys. Let me just check on the lower time frame. We're in the main buy zone, guys. We're in the main buy zone. We're in the main buy zone, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm not in yet. When I'm in, I'll let you guys know, okay? I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. Okay, guys, now I'm getting in. I'm getting in. It's a big zone. I'm not getting in, guys. I'm in now, guys. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in, guys. You are in profit. You can see it on your screen. We are in profit, guys. Let's hope we catch some recovery with this. Running 40 pips now, guys. We are in, guys. We're in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 50 pips, guys. 50 pips, 50 pips running. 50 pips running. 50 pips, guys. 50 pips. Nice, nice, nice. 58 pips, 62 pips. Awesome, guys. Hope you guys are in profit. Are you guys in profit? At least we got some recovery from the first buy we took. Hope you guys are in profit. Hope you are in profit, guys. Hope you are in profit. Hope you guys are in profit. If I'm in profit, type W. Type W in the chat. Type W. If I'm in profit, type W in the chat, guys. Type W in the chat. If I'm in profit, type W. Let me see W's in the chat. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. W's in the chat. If you're in profit, W's, guys. W's. 70 pips now. 70 pips. 70 pips. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, guys. Nice. I see the W's. Awesome. You can take some profits now, guys. You can take some profits now just for the recovery. You can take some profits now. You can take some profits now. You can take some profits now, guys. Let me send the parameters from the VIP to you guys. For those asking for the SL and other stuff, I'm posting it in the community, okay? Posting it in the community for you guys. Let me remove the scalp buy zone since it's already done. It showed as Pepe. Scalp buy zone showed as Pepe. I saw many W's in the chat. Nice. Glad to see you guys winning. Glad to see you guys winning. Glad to see you guys winning. Let me read your comments now. Mostly, I like to set break even before I come back to read the comments. Let me read your comments now. Someone's asking, what's a TP and SL? Everything is in the community. It's in the community, the Telegram community. Head over there, head over there. I said you guys should type W. Someone has typed W. How much are you making with all the W's? The one who typed the W's. How much are you making with all the W's? You should be making like 20K now. 20,000. Why don't your number line up with my numbers and I'm using TradingView? Which broker are you using on TradingView? Red Schemes, which broker are you using? You know there are different brokers on TradingView. So if you use a different broker, you might have a different candle showing on your chart. Can I still create a standard cent account after changing partners? Yes, you can. You can create it. You can create any number of accounts, trading account you want to. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Let me check on those on YouTube. Nice. $3,000 running. Beautiful. Glad you made some money. Glad you made some money. Yeah, the stop loss is huge because it's a huge zone. That is what I've been preaching to you guys. When the zone is small, the stop loss is small. When the zone is big, the stop loss is big. It's not our fault. It's just gold. You guys know how gold has become now. At first, I used to use 25 pips stop loss, 48 pips, 25 pips, 30 pips. But it's different now. You guys know it. It's different. 100 pip stop loss on gold is even small now. The stop loss is huge. Yeah, it's huge. When I'm on the way. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. You moved your SL to break even also. But you can't see any message there. Okay, so when you go to the bot, tap on the left button, right, and select menu. You see it. Tap on menu, you see it there. You see the options there, okay? You would see the options there. You would find the options right there for you. Just asking for the signal. It's in the community, guys. The signal has been sent to the community. Those asking for the signal. Check the community. Check the community. Check the community. Check the community. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for the past 4.5 years. Peace, you blew your 15K funded account. What happened? What happened on your account? What did you do? Lord Kobe, let's see. You don't know where the market is heading to. I don't also know. Let's see what market does. Big Mama Lax, you've entered by now. You're still waiting for your limit order to be activated. Where is your limit order at? I mean, it's still a big zone. There's this whole zone as a buy zone here. So, price can still come back into the zone. So, maybe your order can be activated, okay? Just believe in what you're doing. Let's see, guys. Wherever market is heading to, let's see. I wish I knew where markets were heading to. So that when I wake up, I just wait and buy or sell from those areas. But unfortunately, none of us know. No one knows where market is heading to. No one knows. If we knew, we all have Lamborghinis and private jets by now. If we knew, we'd have Lamborghinis and private jets, guys. Your order is at 4680. Exactly. To be honest, I was looking at that level to 4680. Exactly that price. But I didn't want price to just, because it tapped the zone, I don't want it to just risk leaving us like what it did last 2 days. So your buy order can be triggered, okay? It can be triggered. My recommended prop firm, I don't have any because I don't trade prop firms. I can't recommend any prop firm. How can I link up direct? Send me a DM, Wisdom. Send me a DM. Please, the Xness option. How can I have it? Go to the community, okay? If you use Xness, you have the advantage to join my VIP for free. I have educational materials to offer you guys. You have an interactive community where you can chat with. I mean, those in the comment section, you can chat with them in a Telegram group, right? And you also have VIP access where you get a signal, you get an entry, break even, stop loss, and all of that. So the VIP is really beneficial, trust me. Not just with signals, but having a trading community, a community of traders that you can work with. You've been watching me for 2 weeks. I'm doing a great job. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's just because I believe in myself. I know what I'm doing. In this market, you have to believe yourself. You have to believe in. If you don't have faith, forget it. We are running 65 pips now, guys. 65 pips. If you don't believe in yourself, forget it. So at this point, guys, I'm going to be setting break even at this point, okay? I'm taking major profits. I'm going to leave just one position on break even. Just one position on break even. You love my presentation. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Like my attitude and confidence. Thank you. My name is Abba. I'm from Ghana. Thank you. I appreciate it. Can you enter now? Hey, Jay. Jay, do you want heart attack? Because the stop loss is huge. If you enter at that point, your stop loss is going to be huge. It's too huge. Price just tapped me out on break even, guys. Price just tapped me out on break even. I told you guys I was going to be setting break even and securing my position. I was able to secure $1,285. No, I'm not going to be entering this trade anytime soon. Once price reacts in my zone, I'm done. Unless there's a better confirmation in the zone. But for now, no. I don't have any confirmation as at this moment. Unless a candlestick confirmation pops up again. But it's still a good zone. I only just like to protect my capital. That is the essence of trading. Make profit and protect your capital. I'm watching from United States. I need a serious relationship in Ghana. Are you talking about a romantic relationship or what? What do you need? A trading relationship or a romantic relationship? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? No, the zone is still valid. I'm not saying the zone is invalid. It's still valid. But I have protected my trade in that zone. I made some money I needed for today. So I protected my trade in the zone. Am I buying in the zone? It's my buy zone. I made some profits from there. I have taken profit. You ask too much questions. That is what I face every day. That is what I face every day. So this whole zone is the buy zone, okay? Not just the level we entered. This whole zone is a buy zone. So price can decide to come inside here before shooting up. Come down here before shooting up. It's really just up to price. And you know, the essence of trading is not to hold your, it's not a holding competition. It's a profit thing. Once you make some profit that you're okay with, you can leave the market, okay? I know there are still people who are still holding from this zone. That is not bad, but then with a stop loss on this trade, I wouldn't want to risk my trade all the way to that side. It's still valid. If you are still in, I mean, it's still valid, okay? It's still a valid zone. The whole zone is still valid. Still a very strong zone for me. Do I think? Yes, personally, I think gold is going to shoot up. Personally, I think gold is going to shoot up from that zone. From this buy zone here. Gold is gonna shoot up from there. That is what I believe. But the zone is too big. You can't determine where price is heading to. You are still in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome. Northwest. I hope you make some good money because it's a good zone. Trust me, it's a very good zone. It's a very good zone. I'm just out on break even because I've made a profit I want to make for today. If you are in, you should be running about 70 pips. If you are still in the trade, you should be running about 75 pips. How did you set that zone? Can I explain? That is exclusive to my mentorship. $2,000. Awesome. Glad you're making some money. Glad you're making some money. What is the name of my zone? It's called the arbitrary zone. Arbitrary zone. It's called the arbitrary zone. Go do shoot up. Yes, go do shoot up. That is what I believe. Do I use Fibonacci? I use Fibonacci sometimes, but not on this trade. I didn't use Fibonacci on this trade. Can you explain your strategy again? Some of us just came in. I didn't explain my strategy on this call. I do that. I explained how I draw my zones on Monday mornings at 8 a.m. GMT. Okay. Watching from Namibia. Keep up the good work. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Funny thing is, I have the same setup on my chart and I've set my limit. You just gave a confirmation. Awesome. That zone is a 9 zone. That zone is a 9 zone. What time frame is this chart? It's the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. Waiting is key to this strategy. Exactly. If you don't have patience, trading is not for you. And I don't view trading as a holding game. You know, some people want to hold so they feel like they are traders. You see, if you're able to take per your account size and the lot size, if you're able to take a trade and then even 60 pips can make you the money you need, that should be enough for you. Do you understand? Because the essence of it is to always protect your capital, not to give your capital to the market. That is my mind whenever I'm trading. To make profit and then protect my money. The money left to protect it. That is really what trading is about. Can you buy at this point? Hey, royalty. In 70 pips profit, you want to buy. 70 pips profit, you want to buy. You want to buy at 70 pips profit and you add a stop loss to it, then you'll be in a huge, you have a huge stop loss, you know. You're going to have a huge stop loss. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. 33K, let's double tap, guys. You love my vibe. Thank you. I appreciate it. I also love money. My vibe comes from money. I love money. Anything that gives me money, I'm excited about it. What confirmations do I use to buy? Exclusive to the mentorship. What lot size am I using? So I use 1.8 lots on this trade. 1.8. Let me check my other account. Nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. How much is my mentorship? It's $450. If you want to join the group class, it's $450. Yes, in trading you need good capital. I have good capital. Yes, I have good capital. In trading you need good capital. If you have good capital, I mean you can make good use of some leverage and also be able to place more positions. Gold selling off. Why are you buying? Do you see gold buying? Do you see gold selling? Someone is asking gold selling off. Why are you buying? On your chart, do you see gold selling now? It's when you make some profit in the market, you should know when to leave. That is the problem most people have. They stay, and I don't know who they are trying to stay for. Like they want to stay for 800 pips and they want to stay for, come on. It's money we are looking out for. And that is something that, you know, yesterday I spoke to you guys about introspection, okay? Sitting down to analyze what blows your account mostly. When you go on that introspection, like you sit down and you think about yourself that, okay, why am I always losing my account? Why am I always leaving trades early? Why am I always taking profits early? If you think about that, you would know your problem, okay? And with time, I identified that I like to hold trades. I told you guys about it yesterday. I like to hold trades for too long, sometimes 2 days, 3 days. Eventually price hits like a very good profits area for me. I'm still waiting for price to go like 1,000 pips. Then it comes back to my break even and takes me out. So I realized that what was making me unprofitable was holding trades for too long for no reason. I could see the profit, but then I'm just still holding, waiting for what? For more money. What if that more money doesn't come and it ends up retracing? So my mind is always make sure I secure profits I see and then protect my capital, which is setting break even. Do you understand? So you're not doing a holding competition with anyone. Okay? You're not doing holding competition with anyone. Price is running 80 pips from the zone now. It's running 80 pips. Price is running 80 pips. I said break even, so I'm out of this trade. $80 pips. Price is running over 9. Wow, nice. 95 pips from the zone, guys. How many of you are still holding? If you're holding, type 1. If you're still holding, type 1. Those who want to do the holding competition, type 1. Let me see those who are still holding. Hey, we have some holders in the mist. Nice, nice. Oh, nice. It's good, you know. It's good. Yeah, the zone is very big. If you're holding, type 1. Type 1. Let me see those who are still holding. How are my zones big? It's not me. It's just a zone. I don't bring the candles to the chart. And gold has become very volatile now. Gold is running 100 pips now. I always wish I'll get smaller zones, but then gold doesn't allow me now, you know. Gold doesn't allow now. Now gold small zones are like 100 pips. That is the least you might get in a zone. Those holding running 100 pips. It's running 100 pips. Yes, we've hit first TP. We've hit TP1. We've hit TP1. You're out now. That is good. Please be out. Be out. Okay? Be out and be free. You know, there's some freedom that comes when you close a trade. Like, your mind is so relaxed. There's this freedom. You've recovered all your losses. Nice, 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 nice. I'm glad. If you are still holding, do what to set and break even. Break even will not kill you, okay? Because I'm sure by now you guys are still seeing profit. Take about 90% of it and then set break even. Or close some of your positions, leave a small lot size running. Okay? That is a strategy you have to trade with. It's not a holding competition, okay? Have that in mind. I'm not holding this trade to show anyone I'm a trader. You are holding to make money. So take some profit. TP1, not TP2, TP1. If you are still holding, guys, my advice, set break even, take your profit, okay? Take your profit. It's not a holding competition. Ain't a holding competition. It's a profit game, okay? You're waiting for re-entry. I'm not going to be re-entering on this trade. I'm not. There's this thing I preach about always for my mentees, okay? If you make profits now and you want to re-enter, there's something I term the hero spirit, okay? You feeling like a hero just because you've been able to secure some profit or you stuck to some rules and you've been able to secure like something for yourself. you realize that there's this spirit that comes into you, like, you can do it, I can do more. Then you go and re-enter and realize the hero spirit kills you. So whenever you make a win, okay, know when to tame that spirit, tame that hero spirit, okay? 1,500 lost capital gone. I'm sorry about that. What happened? Were you selling? Those holding it will over them soon. Is anyone still holding without break even? Is anyone still holding without break even? That was what made you lose your $30 account today. Yes, the hero spirit. You have to tame it. Please tell us the real trade entry. I just joined your live. The entry is in my community. Go to my Telegram community. The entry is there. Abubakar, you've set break even. That is great. That is great. It means that even if price doesn't, it goes beyond your entry, you can still take another trade. You understand? Break even is not a curse, okay? Close one position, left one on break even. Beautiful. Proud of you for that. Can I buy now? Hey, Bossu, you wanna buy now? Guys, someone said they want to buy now. And let me tell you, for those who are still holding, okay, this was the trade where let me show you guys the zone. This zone, okay, this cow buy, if maybe price might be retesting it. That is why I want you guys to take break even here. If you want to retest it and come down, it means that you'll be taking out, okay? Unless price closes above this zone with some sort of candle like this. Maybe if we have a candle like this closing above it, but if it's still below it, bearish pressure may still come in. So if you're holding, make sure you are setting break even, okay? We Ghanaians, we like taking risk. We like money, that's the thing. Watching first time from Pakistan. Awesome. Good to have you. Love from Pakistan. Thank you. Can I make 1 million with your strategy? $10? I hope so. I hope so. If it was that easy, I would have bought a private jet by now. What was my entry? It's in the community. It's in the community. It's in the community. So if you are still holding, price may retest this scalp buy zone, okay? Make sure you're taking some profits from there. The scalp buy zone. You said we buy. Yes, and we bought. And we bought, okay? And price has gone 100 pips. So I want you to take some profits too. Okay? So you benefit from this live. Do I have a community? Yes, I do. Check my bio, my Telegram community. It's in my bio. Tap on it and then join the winning team. The fastest Telegram community in Africa. Fastest growing community. They are growing so fast. You don't see my real Telegram. Yes, there are a lot of scam groups. Lots of scam groups, guys. Lots of scam groups. Lots of scam groups. It's for how many months? It's for 3 months. It's for 3 months. After 3 months, you're still going to have me for 1 year, right? To guide you until you're independent. Can I WhatsApp for training? Yes, John, you can send a DM. Send it to the WhatsApp number on the screen, or you can send it to Telegram or TikTok, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's join a Telegram community, guys. Let's join a Telegram community. Am I in this trade? No, I'm not in this trade, but my people are still in it. I know there's someone who is still watching who hasn't said break even. You are trading with me from Lesotho. Awesome. You can get in a buy now. Kifloma, don't let me block you, okay? If you are buying, buy, but don't be giving people prices and stop losses to buy from. Go ahead and do that for yourself, okay? Don't mislead anyone here. but I'm not going to block you for this. The holders are still with it. Sophie, are you holding? Speak French? Oui. Je parle français un peu. No advice, able. I don't get you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If you use XNest, you have the opportunity to join my VIP for free, right? There are days I'm going to be trading live with only the VIP without coming on TikTok. So if you want to use XNest, if you want to join a VIP, make sure you are joining the XNest Telegram VIP group, right? The Abatrace XNest Trader Circle. You get to have educational materials there. You get to get a signal. You get to have an interactive community where you can chat with other people who also trade. So most people you see in the comment section are in the XNest VIP, right? There's going to be an interactive group where you can upload your setup. You can chat with people. The more you upload your setup, the more you build your confidence. That is what I want to instill into you guys. Do you understand? So the XNest community is very good for you. If you use XNest, it's for free. You can join for free. Go to my Telegram community, find the bot link there, or check the pin message there. Click on join the free community, and then the bot will give you instructions on how you can join. If you are in Europe, if you are in Asia, if you are in the UK, there's an option to join the free community if you don't have access to XNest. So when you test me, just type UK or type Europe or type Asia. I will know what you mean and I will know how to help you with that, okay? So that is it. If you want to join the VIP, that is what you have to do. If you want to know when I come live also, make sure you're joining me on Telegram, the Telegram community. I update whenever I'm going live, so you don't miss whenever I'm coming live on TikTok, okay? What's not working? Is it the bot? Send me a screenshot, okay? Let me know what you are facing. Hey, T-Soft, you are holding for second TP. T-Soft, I hope you're on break even then. Okay? Please set break even, T-Soft. Set break even, T-Soft. Set break even for me, okay? It won't hurt if you take profit and you hit break even. But it's going to hurt if you hit stop loss, okay? My $40 XNest only trade 0.01. Not 0.1. My money will finish you. Your XNest trades 0.1 or 0.01. If you want to, have more purchasing power with your $40, it means you would need more leverage. That means that have it in mind that when you take a trade and you are opening more positions, your account is already gone. Okay? Because $40, if you are opening more positions, that means your account can deplete faster, okay? Unless you're trying to flip it, and if you lose it, it's not going to get to you. Is it okay to re-enter when it comes down? Unless I get a confirmation in the zone, inside the zone, but now I'm out of the trade. I made profits from this trade. After the first cut loss that we did of 55 pips. Accurate section, welcome. Good to have you. Haven't seen you today. It's NFP tomorrow. Hey, NFP tomorrow. Are we safe? What leverage do I suggest for XNest? It depends on your account size. It depends on the purpose for the account. If you are trying to flip it, okay, you need high leverage because it means that it's small money that you are trying to flip into like bigger capital, okay? So you need high leverage, which means you'd need 1:2,000 or 1:1 unlimited. If you are trying to grow the account conservatively, then you would need about maybe 1:1,000 or 1:800, okay? Leverage really depends on you. It depends on how you use it. It's not bad. For me, all my accounts, I use 1:2,000, 1:1 unlimited. 1:2,000, 1:1 unlimited. I just know how to manage my leverage. You have to know how to manage it. Thank you from Nairobi. Thank you, I appreciate it. Today's gold market is a sell. People act like they know where market is going to. Go and buy Lamborghini. I don't even know if market is a buy today. I'm just hoping to make my profit. And I've made it. But one thing people fail to understand is market doesn't move in only one direction. So if market is a sell, right? And then there's a retracement entry for a buy, you can make money from it. Your aim is to make money, not to understand the whole trend. Even though that helps you know where market is heading, so you can also, follow the trend. If you have a confirmation for a retracement, you can still make money from that. That is also a market movement. Do you understand? So if you go and you see someone doing something contrary to what you are doing, that doesn't mean that the person is wrong. That is what people come into the comments to do. Like someone is typing on YouTube that, what's it called? The person has deleted it. Today's gold market is a sell. That doesn't mean buyers won't come in the market. That's true. That's true. That's very true. What should we do now? What do you want to do? I can see price hit the buy zone. Yes, it hit the buy zone. There are still people who are in the trade on break even. There are still people who took this trade on break even, like T-Soft and his squad. They're on break even on this trade. Now in, just doing a break even, yeah? Awesome, awesome. Exactly, Adam. That is a thing. You can always take advantage of market movements, okay? That is a mindset. You enjoy my vibe, but you can't afford VIP. But my vibe doesn't give you access to the VIP. It's your Xness account, okay? Mubi, it's your Xness account. Telegram, how many subscribers should we join? There are so many. I know. People have created so many scam groups in my name. So you know what? Go to my bio. Tap on the link in my bio. Currently, let me check the group. Currently, it's 4,315. Okay, 4,315. So you can go there, and then the last thing I typed was TP1 smashed. That's the last thing I've typed in the community. But then for you not to enter those scam groups, make sure you're joining from my bio. Okay. Make sure you're joining from my bio, guys. Can I help you on Binance? Yes, I can help you. I can help you how to navigate the Binance platform. I can help you. Does VIP come with mentorship? No. But you get educational materials from me, not my mentorship materials. 15-minute gap sale, liquidity. Look, chance. Are you trying to give a signal here for someone? What do you think about this zone for sale? 4718, 4718. Let's see. 4718. Let me check 30 minutes for you. It's possible. Yes, I just saw it. It's possible for sales from that area. Very possible. The one who asked that, JP Morgan. Very possible for sales in that area. It's very possible for sales. Around 4718. It's highly possible. How can I communicate with you so that you help me? Send me a DM, okay? I should give you a good entry now. For what precisely? What precisely? How much is VIP? VIP is for free, but then there's a paid one if you want to join the paid VIP. Go to my community. Every information is there. It's pinned in the community. How do mentorship work with you? You want to learn my strategy? Send me a DM, user. Just send a DM. If I want to reply everyone about mentorship, I don't think we will leave here today. Where am I based? I'm in Accra, Ghana. Accra, Ghana. Today has been a good day. This week has been a good week. So far, I think we've had just 2 losses. 2 losses this week. Just 2 losses. Today's cat loss. And then I think on Tuesday, We had just one loss after we had 3 good trades for the day. Monday we also got 1,000 pips on silver. That was crazy. That was crazy. T-Soft, if you are still holding, you should be in 120 pips profit now. Those who are on break even, you should still be in profit by now. Supply and demand is a scam. ICT is the best. That is up to you. Just trust your strategy. That is what I always say. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. Trust yourself, guys. Always. Don't let any mentor distract you. Trust yourself. Always trust yourself. But I'm to close the trade. T-Soft, if you've made some profit and you're okay with the profit, close the trade, okay? Very beautiful trade. Very beautiful zone today. Very nice zone. Guys, if you made some profit, send me screenshots on Telegram. Let me see the profit you made. Let me see how much you guys made on this trade. Keelan, I'm blocking you, okay? Don't come here and give signals. Let's go. 130 pips. 130 pips. You've tested me. Okay. Why those who are saying gold is a sell market? Gold is a sell market. Why do you guys think that way? $130 pips. 130 pips, guys. Guys, send me screenshots of your profits. Let's go. Let me see the W's. Send me screenshots of your profit, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Glad we made something today. Glad we made something today. The overall trend is a downtrend. That is not disputable. Everyone knows that. That is a downtrend on the daily. Everyone knows it. Losing all my self-control. It's a retracement happening in sales. Let's see. How do you enter trades? Gerald, can you be clear? To Gerald, can you be clear so I can answer you well, okay? The market always gives you opportunities. It's all about your discipline and strategy. Exactly. I'm a new user, your profile, but I think you're a good trader. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm the best actually. Hello, sir, new subscriber from India. Please, I'm not a sir, okay? Do I look like a sir? I'm not a sir. I'm a woman, okay? But thanks, I appreciate it. Will I marry you? Hey, you guys, can you buy me 5 private jets? I'm married, by the way. I'm married. What happened to the buy signal? It's still on. It's running 140 pips now. 140 pips. T-Soft, you should be making money by now. How much are you profiting? T-Soft, How much profit are you in? It's going to be a big buy if an engulfing forms. Let's see, guys. My slogan is always let's see. Let's see. Can we buy now? Hey, you guys. If you want to buy, go ahead and buy, okay? Go ahead and buy. I always tell you guys that. Do what your heart tells you. That is how you can win. You're already in on the buys. Nice. Let's see. In terms trade entry, do you use candlestick pattern? I don't understand. Can you be clear? Can you be clear, guys? Today has been a fantastic day, trust me. It's been fantastic. Y'all need to sell and not buy. Ruby, I'll consider you for today, okay? I suspect you are new here. Let people do what they want to do, okay? Nobody knows where market is heading to. So when people want to do what they want to do, let them do it. Let them believe in themselves. When all my tears in you, I'm not alone. Queen of Blues. That should be my new name, you know. Queen of Blues. There's huge liquidity sweep for buys. Let's see. What is the meaning of support and resistance? So a support area is any area on the chart where buying pressure could potentially step into the market. Same thing for resistance, an area on the chart where selling pressure could potentially step in the market. As simple as that, right? That is if you already know about buying and selling. That's what support and resistance is. Guys, we're not double tapping today. Yesterday we got to 175k. What is happening today? 39k. Come on, guys. Let's do better. XNES and Bybit, which one is good? I use XNES. I've never had any issue with XNES. I'll recommend XNES for you, okay? You have little capital of $10 and you want to grow your capital. Please help me. Not on gold. Not on gold. Not on gold. Not on gold. Gold won't help with your $10, okay? Go for currencies. With currencies, you can grow it. You can grow it with currencies. Because your stop loss or currencies will be like, you can get 15 pips, you can get 20 pips. But gold, now on gold, you need about 100 pips for stop loss. It's crazy. It's not our fault though. It's just the market. I have used XNES. I haven't used Bybit, so I'll recommend XNES for you. Exactly. You can use a cent account on XNES. Can I see your comments? No, please type your comment again. I should do giveaway. You two do giveaway for me, okay? You made profits from this free signal. Do giveaway on it for me.
Get YouTube Music Premium with this toggle thingy.
It's going to sell now. Likely, but let's see. Likely. What do I think about Just Market? Never heard of them. How do you time your entries? Do you use candlestick patterns or something else? I mostly have about 5 confluences in the zone before I take a trade from the zone. Candlesticks play a part when price has gotten to the zone. Waiting for TP2. T-Soft, I hope you're taking some profit as you're waiting for TP2. You're a 16-year-old and you started trading. Awesome. Get your parents to set up a brokerage account for you, okay? Because 16 years, you can't open a brokerage account. I'm a lovely person. Thank you. I appreciate it. Is it only gold you trade? Yes, I trade only gold. I trade only gold. If you're on YouTube and your video is not clear, okay, the chat is not clear for you, go to settings, tap on settings, okay? Go to settings and then tap on higher picture quality, okay? Quality, select and tap on higher picture quality. You would see everything clearly, okay? You'd see everything clearly. Which country am I from? I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. Is MT5 good? Yes, it is. It's good. MT5 is good, okay? Let me tell those in the community to set break even. Hello guys, if you're in this trade, make sure you're setting break even on the trade, okay? Set break even and take major profit on this trade. Make sure you're setting break even, guys. Set break even. Have I used XM broker before? No, I haven't. Never have I. You are right. It will buy though. Let's see. I'm still saying let's see. You guys don't know how I think in the market. Eh? It's always let's see. Because I don't know where market is going to at this point. Once you have that let's see mindset, you can always tweak your bias as and when market structure is changing. Okay? It's like the buy we took initially. I kept telling you guys, let's see. Even though I was buying, I wasn't so staunch price was going to buy. I kept on saying if price breaks that 5-minute zone, I'm closing my buys, right? And I did that because I'm adaptable. I know market conditions can change. I don't know where market is heading to. Have that let's see mindset, okay? Yenshe, let's see. Just have that mindset. Which broker am I using? I use XNES. And when you use XNES, you can join my free VIP. Go to my Telegram community. If you use XNES, you can join the free VIP. I'd rather be falling love with reality. Every song is a symphony. Price is still pushing up, guys. Still pushing up. Can I explain in a few seconds how to the market? Ryan, can you come again? Every song is a symphony. Right, trade BTC on weekends. Yes, I do trade BTC on weekends. On weekdays, I don't even look at BTC. Just on weekends. How many percent should market go before break even in a trade? So you can set break even, one, based on structure, right? and 2 based on your account. Okay, now break even most of the time it shouldn't be set because of emotions. It should be set because of some laid out criteria. 1, structure, right? Price, like being breaking a structure. Once you break the structure, you can set break even for your entry. But then sometimes you can consider your profit target for the day. Once you hit that target, you can leave some positions on break even. That is really how you have to think about the whole thing. You know, there's no book to book as to how to manage your trades. Managing your trade is you and your phone. It is you against your phone. You have to learn how you can strategize and then manage the trade. Let me push this here. Let me increase this SL. Let me lower the SL. Let me bring my TP down. Like, you have to make all of those decisions for yourself, because you know your account size, you know your plan for the account, and you know how you want to grow the account. So you have to come up with that strategy for yourself. Okay, don't let anyone dictate for you on your account. You know where you got the money from. You are the only one that can best manage that money and the trades. Okay. Can I explain in a few seconds how to enter the market? You enter the market. I did a video on that, how to trade any forex chart in 5 simple steps. Yes, so go to my YouTube. Okay, I have a video on that, how to trade the forex chart in 5 steps. You will know how to enter the market. Okay, just watch that particular video. I've done a video on that, how to enter the market in 5 steps. Ryan, head over to YouTube and watch that video, how to analyze any forex chart in 5 steps. Okay.